Hi, I'm Sam and welcome to the SRA lab. Today we've got a dirty circuit board that we're going to be cleaning with our ultrasonic cleaner. This will remove any dirt, dust, and flux that may be present on the board. First, I'm going to start with mixing the solution. It is recommended to use a ratio of 1 part cleaner to 9 parts water. The fill line on our cleaner is located at about 2.2 liters, so we're just going to pour 2 liters of water and 200 milliliters of cleaner. So here's our first liter of water. Now we're going to pour another liter just the same as the first. And we're going to dump it into the tank. Finally, we will add our cleaning agent. For today's job, we're going to use a saponifier. Saponifiers are key for cleaning circuit boards. This is because it will convert any rosin and no-clean flux to a water-soluble substance that can easily be cleaned. Now it's time to preheat our solution to the correct temperature for cleaning. Somewhere between 50 and 60 degrees Celsius should be good. You'll also want to keep the lid on to expedite the heating process, as it can take a while. Now that we're up to temperature, we're going to degas the solution for the maximum cleaning performance. Degassing will remove any entrapped air in the solution, allowing for a more even cleaning. Degassing does occur naturally over the course of several hours, but by varying the ultrasonic frequency, we can accomplish the task in about 4 or 5 minutes. Here we can see the air bubbles rising to the top of the tank. And with the degassing process completed, we are ready to place our PCB into the tank. With your board in place, set the timer between 3 and 5 minutes. This time will vary depending on how dirty the board is. Now start the ultrasonic cleaner and wait for the timer to count down. When the timer finishes, remove your freshly cleaned board. Here we can see the cleaning process removed all the dirt, dust, and flux that was on our board. If there's still residue left over, you can put the board back in for a couple minutes or until clean. Well, there you have it. In a short time we have a clean circuit board using just an ultrasonic cleaner, water, and a cleaning agent. If you have any questions, please comment below, and thanks for watching.